Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the frequently asked questions on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the questions icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here go to the third option, the frequently asked questions, and here you can find different questions about the application, how to use the app, and more questions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.